Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to play Clash Royale like a pro. Let's get started. So you need to understand what pro really means. Going pro doesn't just mean having a high trophies. A real pro player is consistent, understands the matchups, and knows how to adapt and avoids the tilting. If you want to go pro, you need a discipline and more than anything else. So the pro players win because of the perfect mechanics. That means you need to learn how to place cards at the exact tile, kite units properly, count elixir, and time your spells to get maximum value. These small things separate casual players from tournament players. And pick one main deck that fits your playstyle. Control, cycle, and beat down. Learn every matchup until you can win even the bad ones. Once you master your signature deck, try experimenting with the versions of it. And that's what the pro players do. They understand the deck so well, they can innovate. Then don't just spam battles. Pro player review their replays, learn from mistakes, and understand why they lost. Climb when you focus, just avoid pushing when tilted, and always track elixir. And that's how you gain consistency. You can also join tournaments early even if you lose. And that's how you can start playing Clash Royale like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.